Students, today we will start a new topic, that is areas of plane figures. Okay, so plane figures areas. How we will find plane figures areas? So in plane figure many are there: circle, square, rectangle, everything, semicircle, quadrant. Okay, so we will learn how we will find the areas of those plane figures. Okay, so let's see what is the first question. You see here, first question is a drain cover. A drain cover is there. Okay, so it is made from a square metal. Okay, a square metal is there. So from that we will make a drain cover. Okay, so here you see square metal means square is there. So here your square side of the square is 40 centimeter. Okay, next having 441 holes is given. Okay, so holes means what? Your circle next of diameter, then diameter is given 1 centimeter, means see square metal is there. From this square metal we will make a drain cover, and each side of square metal is 40 centimeter, and in that square metal how many holes are there? 441 holes. Okay, holes means circle, so their diameter is 1 centimeter. Okay, in 1 centimeter diameter they have drilled the holes, 441 holes. So we have to find the area of the remaining square plate. Okay, so let's see what will happen. So first what is given in the question. First your focus is on square metal plate. Okay, whose side is 40 centimeter. Okay, so first of all we have to find the area for square metal plate. So what we will write? Area of the square metal plate. Here you have to find the area. So first of all what is given? Square metal. That's why we will find the area for square metal plate first. Area of the square metal plate is equals to, you see, what is the formula for area for square? That is side square. Okay, so here your side is given 40. So 40 square means 40 into 40. 40 into 40 equals to 1600 centimeter. That means cm square. Area, unit of area is centimeter square. Over. Next, so one sentence completed. Next what is given? Up to now over. Next, having 441 holes of diameter 1 centimeter. Diameter is given 1 centimeter. What we will write here? Given diameter equals to 1 centimeter. Okay. So what we have to find? Radius, because here holes are there. Holes means your circle. So next you have to find area for circle. So area for circle is pi r square. Pi, you already know pi value is 22/7. So you have to find r square means you need radius. So diameter is 1 cm. So you know one formula, that is r equals to 2d. That means we need diameter here. So d equals to r divided by 2. So what will happen? See, this is the diameter, complete diameter of a circle. This is the diameter. So d equals to 2r. Diameter equals to 2 radius. This is the complete diameter. This is one radius. This is another radius. So complete diameter equal to r plus r, 2r. So d equals to 2r. So r equals to, formula is d divided by 2. So what we will write here? R equals to d divided by 2. You need radius. So radius equals to d is 1 divided by 2 centimeter. So radius is your 1/2 centimeter. Okay. Next. Now you can easily find area of this circle. So what we will find? Area of the circle 1 inch. You see over now having 441 holes. Your circle is your hole. Hole is like a circle. So what we have to find the area for holes now. So what we will write? Area of, first of all we have to find what is the area for each hole, means one hole. Then we have to find area for 441 holes. So area of each hole. So hole means what? Circle. So whole area is also same, that is pi r square. So pi is your 22 divided by 7 into radius is your 1 by 2. Square means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay. So how much? 2 11 is 22. So 11 into 1 is 11 divided by 7 2 is 14. 11 divided by 14 centimeter square. Okay. Next over. Now for each hole you have found out. Now you have to find for 441 holes. So what we have to write? Area of 441 holes is equals to, what we have to do? 11 by 14 into how many holes? 441. Okay. So 441 into 11. 4851. 4851 divided by 14. Okay. So let's divide. 14 3 42. 4851. 14 3 42. 14 4 56. 14 6 84. 7. So 346 then 70. 14 5 is 70. 346.5 centimeter square. Okay. So area of 441 holes is, for each hole 11 by 14. So for 441 holes your area will be 11 by 14 into 441. So your answer is 346.5 centimeter square. So over square metal plate area you have found out. Next holes means circle. For each hole you have found out the area. Then for 441 holes also you found out the area. Now your work is to find the area of the remaining square plate. Okay. So let's find. So what we will find now? Area of the remaining square plate. What we have to do? You think once. See, here square metal plate area is 1600 centimeter square. Again, question is given for finding 441 holes area. It is 346.5 centimeter square. So for finding the area of the remaining square plate, simply we can subtract area of the square metal plate minus area of 441 holes. Then you can get the area of the remaining square plate. So what will happen? 1600 minus 346.5 centimeter square. So equals to, we will subtract here 253.5. 253.5 centimeter square. So area of the remaining square plate is 253.5 centimeter square. Over. Again you see I am saying. See, we will make a drain cover from a square metal, and side of square metal is 40 centimeter. Then having 441 holes in that square metal plate, 441 holes are there, and those holes each diameter, each hole diameter is 1 centimeter. Okay, so you have to find the area. Square metal plate is there. How much square metal plate will remain? You see, this is a square metal plate. You see here holes are there. Okay, here holes are there. 441 holes you think. If it is completed up to this, then this portion is remained. So you have to find the area for this remaining square plate. Okay. So first we have found out the area of this square, that is side into side. So 1600. Next in this square holes are there. Holes are like a circle. So we have to put area for each hole. First of all each hole. So that is pi r square. So pi radius is 1 by 2. So 11 by 14. Next for 441 holes. So 441 into 11 by 14. Next this remaining square plate. That means square minus area of these holes. So 253.5 centimeter square. Over. So see, this is your second number portion. Okay. So what is there in C1? So here two circles are there. Okay. So inner and outer diameter means two rings are there. Okay. This is one ring, ring 1 and ring 2. So this one is your ring 1 and this is your ring 2. Okay. Next. So the inner and outer diameters of ring 1 of a dartboard are of 32 and 34 centimeter. Okay. So this is your ring 1. This is your ring 2. Okay. So now we have to find. You see here, what is given? Inner and outer diameter. That means inner diameter of ring 1 is 32 centimeter. Here you see two rings are there. This is ring 1. Two circles are there of ring 1. Okay. So inner diameter of ring 1 is 32 centimeter. That means this is the inner ring of ring 1. So its diameter is 32 centimeter. That means radius will be 32 divided by 2 means 16 centimeter. Similarly, outer diameter of ring 1 is 34 centimeter. That means outer diameter of ring 1. This is the outer circle. So this ring's diameter is 34 centimeter. So its radius will be 34 divided by 2, 17 centimeter. Okay. Over. Completed ring 1. Now we will go to ring 2. And those of rings 2 are 19 centimeter. So inner diameter of ring 2, this one is how much? 19 centimeter. So this is your 19 centimeter. That means 19 divided by 2, 9.5. 9.5 centimeter. Okay. 21. Outer diameter. This is outer diameter of ring 2. So this is your how much? 21 divided by 2. 10.5 centimeter. Okay. Over. So we found out the radius. Let's write here. Ring 1. Okay. How much? 16. R1 equals to 16 centimeter. R2 equals to 17 centimeter. Just for notes we are writing here. Then ring 2. R1 is your 9.5 centimeter and R2 is your 10.5 centimeter. Okay. Okay. So you can exchange also. You can take R1 as 17 and R2 as 16. Okay. So here we will take R2 as small one, R1 as bigger. R2, R2. Okay. Over. So now let's see what will be the solution. See again I am saying this is the figure. Okay. We named these two circles as ring 1 and these two small circles as ring 2. So This is the ring 1, these two circles. So ring 1 inner and outer diameters are 32 and 34. So from those diameters we have found out two radius. Those are 16 and 17 centimeter. Next. Similarly for ring 2 we have found out the radius. Now what is the total area of these two rings? Okay, you have to find total area. So let's find for each ring area first. So first what we have to find? Area of ring 1. See here, it's concentric circle. So its formula is pi capital R square minus small r square. So instead of R2 and R1, you can take big number as capital R and small number as small r. Similarly, this one capital R and this is small r. Over? Okay? So now what we have to write? Area of ring 1 equals to pi capital R square minus small r square. Okay? So pi value is 22 divided by 7. Capital R is your 17 square minus small r is your 16 square. Okay? So equals to 22 divided by 7. You see a square minus b square. So formula is a plus b into a minus b. Okay? So what will happen? 22 divided by 7 into 17 plus 16 is 33. 33 into 1, 17 minus 16 is 1. Means same 22 divided by 7 into 33. Area we are finding. So centimeter square. Over. Now ring 1 over. Now we will go to ring 2. So area of ring 2 equals to same formula pi in bracket capital R square minus small r square. So equals to pi value is 22 divided by 7. Inside capital R is your 10.5. So 10.5 square minus small r is your 9.5. So 9.5 square over. So equals to what will happen? 22 divided by 7. A square minus b square. Same formula is a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So what will happen? 22 divided by 7. If we will open bracket, it will become into. So 10.5 plus 9.5 is 20. 20. So 10.5 minus 9.5 is 1. So anything into 1 is same only. So 22 by 7 into 20 centimeter square. Over. So for ring 1 you have found out the area this much. For ring 2 you have found out the area this much. Now you have to find what is the total area of the two rings. So therefore area of total area. Therefore total area of the two rings. Total area of the two rings is equals to. So total means what? You have to add the two rings area. So first ring area is 22 divided by 7 into 33 plus 22 divided by 7 into 20 centimeter square. Total means you have to add both the area of the rings. So equals to. Here you can find common 22 divided by 7. So in bracket 33 plus your 20 centimeter square. So equals to 22 divided by 7 into 33 plus 20 is 53. 53. So equals to 22 into 53 you have to do 1166. 1166 divided by 7 equals to 166.5 centimeter square. So your answer is 166.5 centimeter square. Okay? Clear? You see, again I am saying 2 rings are there. Okay. So one is ring 1, another one is ring 2. But in ring 1, 2 rings are there. Okay, 2 circles are there. We named it as ring 1. Again 2 small circles. We named it as ring 2. So inner and outer diameter of ring 1. You see, this is the inner one, inner circle. So this is the outer circle. So inner circle diameter is 32. That means radius is 16 centimeter. Similarly, outer circle diameter is 34. That means radius is 17 centimeter. Similarly, ring 2 means these 2 circles. We named it as ring 2. So inner diameter of ring 2 is 19 centimeter. That means radius is 9.5 centimeter. Similarly, outer diameter of ring 2 is 21. That means radius is 10.5 centimeter. So you have to find total area of these 2 rings. So here I have written ring 1, ring 2. Capital R means outer diameter or larger diameter we have taken as capital R, and to smaller diameter we have taken as small r. Okay. So this is ring 1, ring 2. Next, before finding the total area of the 2 rings, first we have to find the area for each ring. So first of all, ring 1 formula you have to put. It came, then for ring 2 same. After that total means what? You have to add these 2 rings area. So 160. Your answer is 166.5 centimeters square. Okay. So you see, this is the next question. What is given? 2 concentric circles are there. Okay. So with center O. So the name of the center is O. Next, where radii, find the area of the shaded region. What you have to find? You have to find the area of this shaded part. Okay. Where radii of the 2 concentric circles. These are 2 concentric circles. Their radius are given 7 and 14 centimeter. So 7 centimeter means diameter of this small circle O2D, that is 7 centimeter. Then what? Larger diameter, that is OA, that is 14 centimeter as per question. And angle AOC is given 40 degree. Okay? Angle AOC. This complete sector angle is 40 degree. This is your sector part. This is your circular ring part. Okay? So now how we will find this area? So see. First of all you have to find area for concentric circle. Formula is pi capital R square minus pi small r square. So here first you have to write what is given in radius. Okay. So given capital R, that means big circle radius is how much? 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter, and small r is your 7 centimeter. Okay. Next, area of the circular ring or concentric circle. Concentric circles, area of concentric circles equals to, your formula is pi capital R square minus small r square formula. So equals to pi means 22 divided by 7. Okay. Into r square. So capital R square means your 14 square. So 14 into 14 minus pi will go inside. So both we have to multiply. So 22 divided by 7. Small r square means 7 into 7. Okay. So what will happen? 7 into 2 is 14. Okay. So 22 into 2 is 44. 44, 14. 616. Okay. 616 minus 7 and 7 will cancel each other. 22 into 7. 154 centimeter square. So how much it will come? 642. 616. 154. 6. 460. 462 centimeter square. Okay, so area of two concentric circles are 462 centimeter square. Over circle now. Now circle over. Now you have to find this area. That means sector's area. That means your sector, complete sector is A, B, D, C. Okay? Area of region A, B, D, C. What we will write here? Area of region A, B, D, C. See, this is the sector part. This is the center. You see, here we named this sector as A, B, D, C. Okay? So what it will happen? So equals to 2 area of sector AOC, larger sector, and area of sector smaller sector, that is area of sector BOD. Then we can get area of ABDC. So equals to area of sector AOC minus area of sector BOD. Okay, so what will happen? So sector area of sector is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Theta is same for two sectors, that is 40. So 40 divided by 360 into 22 divided by 7 into r square. So here for AOC your radius is 14. So 14 into 14 minus theta is same, 40 divided by 360 into pi r square. Here r is for BOD, your r is 7 centimeter. So r square means 7 into 7. Okay. So what will happen is, so equals to, so here you can cut 0, 0, 4, 9 is 36. Here also 0 and 0, 4 into 9 is 36. So 1 by 9 into 22 by 7. You can take common. 1 by 9 into 22 by 7 is your common. Otherwise you can cut here. 7 and 7 will cancel each other. Here 7 into 2 is 14. Okay. So rest what is that? 22 into 2 into 14. 22 into 2 is 44. Think 44 into 4. 14. 616. Okay. So 616 divided by 9. 616 divided by 9 minus, here you see what is there? 22 into 7 is 154. 154 divided by 9. 154 divided by 9. Okay. So what will happen? So you see 616 minus 154 is 462 divided by, to find the LCM here first. 9, LCM is 9, up 616 minus 154. So 616 minus 154, 462 divided by 9 is that. So we will cut it in 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 1 3, 3 5 15, 3 4 12. So 154 divided by 3 centimeter square. Okay. Now you have to find area of this shaded region. Okay. So area of the shaded region. Now how you can find? If you will subtract the area of the concentric circles and area of region ABDC, then you can find the area for shaded part. So your concentric circles area is 462 minus area of region ABDC is 154 divided by 3. That means we have cut the area of the concentric circle and the area for this region. Then you can get area of this setted part. Okay. So what will happen? Here your LCM is 3. Okay. Next 3 to 6. 1386 minus 154 divided by 3. So equals to 2331. 1332 divided by 3. Here it can cut. 3 minus 1 is 2. 1232 divided by 3. So it will not cut. So 3 4th 1. 313 0. 3618 3618. 410.66 centimeter square. Okay. So you see. Again I am saying, you see here two concentric circles are there. Their center is O. Okay. So their radius are 7 and 14 centimeter. So 14 centimeter means it is the largest radius, which is the largest radius of the outer circle, that is OA. So 14 centimeter. And your smallest radius OD of smallest circle is 7 centimeter over, and angle AOC is given 40 degree. So this is your concentric circle and this is your sector part. So you have to find the area for this shaded region. So first we have taken capital R as 14 centimeter because it is the largest radius, and we have taken small r as 7 centimeter because it is the smallest radius. So first of all we have to find area for concentric circles. Formula is pi r square minus pi r square. So I have did. So your answer is 462 centimeter square. Then circle over. Now your sector part is there. That means your region is which one? O is the center, but your region is ABDC. Okay. So for finding this region ABDC, we have to cut area of sector AOC and area of sector BOD. Then you will find this part. So your answer came 154 divided by 3 centimeter square. Now you have to find area for shaded region. For that you have cut the area of concentric circle. You have subtracted area of concentric circle and area of sector. Then you got area of shaded region is 410.66 centimeter square. Okay, like this you have to find.